Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. Right, working on this Biasi ignition problems. Right, so the green one is on and the red one is flashing. Now, according to manufacturer's instructions, it's a faulty flue temperature probe NTC. So we're gonna have to sort that out.
One of the problem with boilers, my uncle phoned me, says, come on, have a look and see what it is, see what the problem is.
Right, the flue start just above the condenser heat exchanger. Now, normally, right, I just use no long nose pliers to just turn it and unscrew it out. But this one was unfortunately seized in and I couldn't use the. Normally, it's a lot easier. It turned into a mission this time. So I got this, I went to the shop and see if I can get some ideas. And I found these socket sets. They're a lot longer. So I used them and thankfully I got that NTC out, the thermistor out. So anyway, once I was out, I just screwed the new one in and tested it. It's all working fine after that. Guys, if your boiler is broken down in Birmingham or South Birmingham, domestic or commercial, we repair all your favorite boilers from Biasi, Baxi, Worcester-Bosch, Vaillant, Vakera, Ideal, and many more. I remember them. We also repair Gladial,
How many years ago since I've been here?
Boilermate, water tanks, domestic and commercial. We ran South Birmingham, Solihull, and we also cover Knoll, Dorwich. Don't suffer in cold, give us a call.
Everybody's okay, right? Everybody's going on with their lives. You know what I mean?
No, you're about the big one.
Yeah, he's going back soon.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
But I don't see him for a long time here.
Yeah, but he lives by Swansea Lane.
They move on the school everything.
No, school same. School
Same.
everything same, just house.
Just
Just that. We teach him namaz, shamaz, everything. This white he's finished, gone. He's only 8 years old, bro. You know this sultan, everything, bro. Brilliant. He's a Azan, mashallah. In my mom's house, yeah, when they moved in, he's the one who done the Azan in the house, in all the rooms. That way, my wife is very strict. Alhamdulillah.
Guys, sorted boiler at Biasi. The flue sensor was gone on it. We changed it. It's all working fine now. Now, if you're Birmingham Boiler Fix.